Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about tanmatras. So let's start with the class. Tata akashah sambhutaha akashadvayuhu vayostejah tejasa apaha adbyah prithvi. What are five tanmatras? These tanmatras are five elements in subtle state. They are not yet projected to the visible world. So, evolution of tanmatras are described in this verse. Tat akashaha sambhutaha. Tata akashaha sambhutaha means from Maya, space was born. Akashad vayuhu. From space, air was born. Vayos tejaha. From air, fire was born. Tejasa apaha. From fire, water was born. Adyaha prithvi. From water, earth was born. That means, space born due to Maya, air born due to space, fire born due to air, water born due to fire, earth born due to water. So these are the Panchatanmatras, five elements which are still in subtle state. They are not yet projected to the visible world. The order, the sequence is from most subtle to less subtle. Which is the most subtle? Space is most subtle, right? So it comes to top. So after space, more subtle. That's why air. And followed by fire, water and earth. So most subtle to the less subtle. So space, air, fire, water and earth. The evolution of tanmatras, as the evolution of tanmatras proceeds, a new quality gets added at every step. So let's see the first step. So starting from the most subtle to less subtle. So which is the most subtle? Just now I said, right? Space is most subtle. So for space, quality of sound is supported. And then in the second step, for air, quality of touch is added. So it will merge to it. So that's why already we have the quality of sound, right? So this quality of touch gets added to sound. So for air, sound and touch are supported. So I'll repeat it once again. So starting from most subtle to less subtle. So for space, quality of sound is supported. And for air, quality of touch is added. Added means already quality of sound is there. So this touch gets added. So here we have two qualities. So for air, sound and touch are supported. And the third step for fire, quality of form is added. So already we have sound and touch. Here form is added. So in the third step, for fire, sound, touch and form are supported. In the fourth step, for water, quality of taste is added. So already we have three. So here quality of taste is getting added. So for water, sound, touch, form and taste are supported. So finally for earth, quality of smell is added. So already we have four qualities. So here for earth supports five qualities. All sound, touch, form, taste and smell are supported. And each of these qualities have trigunas in them. Trigunas means sattva, tamas and rajas. So these are about tanmatras. We'll move to the next verse. एतेषां पञ्चतत्त्वानां मध्य आकाशस्य सात्विकांशात् श्रोत्रेन्द्रियं सम्भूतम्. So among these 5 great tanmatras, that is 5 subtle elements, for sattvic aspect of space, from this sattvic aspect of space, the organ of hearing is evolved. So सात्विकांशात् श्रोत्रेन्द्रिय संभूतम्, आकाशस्य सात्विकांशात् श्रोत्रेन्द्रियं संभूतम् means from the sattvic aspect of space, organ of hearing is evolved. वायों सात्विकांशात् वागेन्द्रियं संभूतम्, that means from the sattvic aspect of air, organ of touch is evolved. Agni satvika amshat chakshurandriya sambhutam, from the sattvic aspect of fire, organ of sight is evolved. Jalasya satvika amshat rasanendriyam sambhutam, from the sattvic aspect of water, organ of taste is evolved. Pruthivyam satvika amshat Granendriyam Sambhutam, from the sattvic aspect of earth, organ of smell is evolved. So I'll repeat this. Akashasya sattvikamshat Shrotrendriyam Sambhutam means from the sattvic aspect of space, organ of hearing is evolved. Vayo sattvikamshat Vagendriyam Sambhutam, from the sattvic aspect of air, organ of touch is evolved. Agni satvika amshat chakshuradendriya sambhutam, from the sattvic aspect of fire, the organ of sight is evolved. Jalasya satvika amshat rasanendriyam sambhutam, from the sattvic aspect of water, organ of taste is evolved. Pruthivyam satvika amshat Granendriyam Sambhutam, from the sattvic aspect of earth, organ of smell is evolved. So this is the evolution of tanmatras, which are still in subtle state. They are not yet evolved. They are not yet projected. So here we are only speaking about subtle senses, but not the physical sense organs, because we said right, organ of touch is evolved, organ of sight is evolved, like that we said, but we didn't say that skin is evolved, eye is evolved, right? So we are just talking about subtle senses, but not the physical sense organs. What are the physical sense organs? Ear, skin, eye, tongue, etc. They are physical organs. But we are talking about only subtle senses. So here, instead of ear, we are talking its faculty of hearing. Instead of eye, we are talking about the organ of sight. Right? So that's what it is saying. So this is what about tanmatras. In the next class, we'll see about antakarana. The fourfold antakarana we'll see. So thank you all for joining. We'll meet you in the next class.